The Mandela Effect, a phenomenon where a large group of people remember an event or fact differently from how it actually occurred, has captivated the curiosity of many. The term was coined by Fiona Broome in 2009, after she discovered that she, along with thousands of others, vividly remembered Nelson Mandela dying in the 1980s, even though he was released from prison in 1990 and passed away in 2013. This led people to question, could we be living in a parallel universe? The Mandela Effect refers to collective false memories, where people recall events or details in a way that does not align with historical records. Some well-known examples include the Berenstain Bears versus the Berenstain Bears. Many remember the popular children's book series as the Berenstain Bears, but the correct name is the Berenstain Bears. Looney Tunes versus Looney Tunes. A significant number of people remember the cartoon being spelled Looney Tunes, but it's officially Looney Tunes. The Monopoly Man's Monocle. A common misconception is that the Monopoly mascot always wore a monocle, but he never did. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. From movie lines to famous logos, the Mandela Effect spans a broad range of misremembered facts, leading some to believe there may be a more profound explanation, perhaps something beyond mere memory lapses. The parallel universe theory. The most intriguing and speculative explanation for the Mandela Effect is the idea of parallel universes. According to this theory, people experiencing the Mandela Effect might actually be tapping into memories from an alternate reality. In these parallel universes, events might have unfolded slightly differently, leading to discrepancies in the memories of individuals. This theory is rooted in the concept of the multiverse, which suggests that our universe is not the only one, but rather part of an infinite number of universes, each with its own version of reality. Scientists like physicist Hugh Everett III have proposed this idea with his many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which implies that every time a decision or event occurs, a new universe branches off, creating multiple versions of reality. The psychological perspective. From a psychological standpoint, the Mandela Effect may be explained by the brain's tendency to make false memories. Cognitive scientists suggest that these memories could be a result of how our brains store and recall information. The brain is constantly filtering and simplifying the overwhelming amount of sensory data we experience every day. In this process, certain details are either distorted or omitted, leading to memory gaps. The Mandela Effect may be an example of these cognitive errors on a collective scale, with groups of people sharing similar false memories due to common influences such as media or cultural references. Could we be in a parallel universe? While the idea of parallel universes is still a hypothesis in the realm of theoretical physics, the Mandela Effect has sparked widespread interest and debate. Some researchers and enthusiasts believe that the phenomenon hints at the possibility that we may have, in fact, slipped between dimensions without realizing it. Others argue that it's simply a matter of mass cognitive biases, social influence, and the way our minds interpret reality. It's important to remember that, scientifically speaking, there is currently no concrete evidence proving the existence of parallel universes or that the Mandela Effect is a sign of such a phenomenon. However, as with many things in science, curiosity and open-mindedness are essential in exploring new ideas and possibilities. The Mandela Effect has become a cultural curiosity that challenges our perception of reality. Whether it's the result of cognitive errors, a quirk of memory, or something far more profound, it opens up fascinating questions about how our brains work, how we perceive the past, and whether alternate realities might be more than just science fiction. While the parallel universe theory remains speculative, it's a compelling thought experiment that continues to intrigue people around the world. So, next time you recall a memory that doesn't quite match up with the facts, ask yourself, are we in a parallel universe, or is our mind playing tricks on us? This mysterious phenomenon is a reminder that reality might not be as fixed as we think. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and who knows, perhaps one day, the Mandela Effect will have an answer that surprises us all.